hello, welcome to my channel, Monique Pala. So, I'm going to take you on a journey. I'm going to a 7-day cruise, so I'm going to take you with me. Right now, we are in the RV. I have some people sleeping in the bedroom. I have a couple of friends, they don't want to show up now. They said it's too early. But anyway, this is the vibe now. We are in the RV and heading to Port of Miami. So, about to have some fun. I'm gonna take you with me, okay? Stay tuned. This is the vibe here. We're playing dominoes on our way. This is it right here. This is Miami. This is the vibe. I don't want to show up their faces now, but I'm giving you an idea what's going on here now. And we're gonna have some fun. Guys, this is the vibe. We sit on our way to Port of Miami. And this is my friend Micheline. Say hi to my friend.
Hello.
What is that? A couple people here.
She's the body
Going
class.
to Miami.
Go to
No, l'autre number I say bagay bagay. No. But you va même.
Essa do mesmo. Yeah. Did you go
Hello, 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 guys. This is my stateroom here, okay? This time I decided not to take any balcony, any windows. I like it here like that because I can sleep good in the dark. I don't have to worry about the light, you know. I don't want any lightning or anything like that. We have a nice sofa here. Okay, we can sit here and relax. This is the bed. Actually, it's a queen size bed or the king. Looks like a king size bed. Okay, I have a little table. Can put my phone over there. We have lights on the side. I like the mirror light. The phone, and this is the TV. We can sit right here and watch TV. I like the desk. I can sit here I can do some editing for my videos and everything. I like the mirror over there. This is a nice large room actually. A lot of mirrors. Everywhere I turn it's a mirror. So this is the bathroom. I don't know if I can see the light. This is the bathroom over there. Let's see if I can put the light on. There you go. Nice, huh? Very nice. Everything is clean. You know, toilet over there. The shower. That that reminds me of my RV. It's the same style as my RV, but it's much beautiful than the RV. I like it. It's a large size actually. So this is where we're gonna be. If I want to see the ocean, I can go outside. I don't want any for now. I want to stay here like this. It's so private. All right, that's it for now, and that's the entrance door right there. Hey guys, dining time. It's about to go to dining now. I guess I'll see you inside. It's about time now. This is dinner time.
Thank you, sir. Okay, the food is there, Monique. So are you doing the video now? Because the food is...
Yeah, it's a nice salmon.
So when we come here, what we should do, we eat here because we know that we're not going to give you too much.
This is the vibe here. This is our first dining.
I don't see. Kole te mi pipwe. Len, avon se pipwe. Mou manke Len.
This is the vibe.
Hi guys.
Yeah. Easy, guys. That's the first dine-in. First dine. We have in France. This is mine. So.
Could we have Tabasco? Tabasco? Yes, no problem.
So guys, we're done with dinner for tonight. We're gonna head to the program for tonight. We have some activities. I did. I looked it. I'm done. So now we're going to activities for tonight. We're enjoying the night. Everybody's enjoying their meal. The food was good, right, guys? The food was excellent. That summer was so good. So guys, I'm a little disappointed. I'm going back to ship because I was able to go to the aquarium. Somewhere I used to go for free. Now they are asking $200 to get in. Imagine. They're asking $200 to go to the aquarium. So I decided to go. I'm a little disappointed. But what is good, still good. Enjoy the weather. So going back to the ship. And then we're gonna eat lunch after that, gonna play dominoes. So this is the vibe. For the ship.
Tô bem, olha pra lá.
A lot of boats here. They're all big.
The other fish or it's a plastic bag?
It looks like it's
It's a plastic bag. I remember the one
It's misting.
fish so clean.
Yep, it's misting. Still have to see China.
I'm into this one. I'm into this one.
The harmony. The water is so beautiful.
The population down here is around
335,000. And that includes me. I'm number one.
All right.
The island here that we are leaving from is Nassau, New Providence, the capital. That island is 21 miles long and 7 miles wide. And it holds 85% of that population,
Wow.
making it a very dense, populated island. Now, before I go any further, for those of you who can hear my voice, is there any of you celebrating a birthday today? Any birthdays? Stand up. Stand up, guys.
today.
Let's give it up for the birthday, ladies. Your birthday is when? Your birthday? All right. Any anniversaries? Honeymoons? Divorce? Well, let's have a round of applause if you're celebrating life. Guys, there's a saying and it goes like this. Yesterday was history. Tomorrow will be a mystery. Today is a blessing, a present, a gift. All right?
From God.
Now, guys, take a look in the waters around the boat.
So we are
You will
going
see
now.
different shades. And the
We're going to
different
Atlantic
shades
City.
that you will see will only be a reflection of what's to the bottom. In the Bahamas are no factories. No factories meaning no pollution. One of the main reasons why the water is so clean and clear. Okay? If you drive back home in America, you may come down here and notice that we drive on the left side of the street. And the reason to that, ladies and gentlemen, is because we were once ruled by the British. We became independent July the 10th, 1973. This year we celebrated 49 years of independence. Now if you look around in the harbor, you will see boats, yachts, catamarans, and sailboats. They're all owned by traveling yachtmen, celebrities, people with a lot of money. And if you look at the white yacht right there, and you're wondering, who owns that yacht right there? Well, the news I got before we leave is that this young man right here is the owner of the yacht. Just giving his yacht a break today, okay, guys? Ladies and gentlemen, it's the island to our left. The island to our left, over here. This is Paradise Island. Paradise Island is the home to the rich and the famous. Now you see, broke people like me stay over there. Only rich people live on Paradise Island. If you want to purchase a property on Paradise Island, it will cost you around $3,000 a square feet. Very expensive. And it was not always called Paradise Island. In 1965, the name of that island was Hog Island. H-O-G, Hog Island. Nobody wanted to go to Hog Island. They had a lot of wild hogs over there.
Oh.
They killed them and ate them all. Rotisserie. You guys missed it. Alright? Now guys, in the Bahamas, if you haven't heard, tourism is our #1 industry. Our main source of
So we just left the plane again. That was it, yeah.
Lady, if you jump and you can't swim, we teach you how to float. Welcome to the This is how we do it.
So we are on the way to Atlantis.
We are on the way to Edmonton. Some of us already went over there. Beautiful day. So this is day 2. We are getting out now. This is the boat, guys. This is, I wanted to show you. This is our boat, the Explorer. It's huge, guys. So now we're getting out. So take a ferry. Not this one. We're gonna take a boat. We call it ferry. So we can go to Atlantis. So I can show you some nice things over there. So this is our boat. It's huge, immense. I can't even take a full picture of that. So huge, guys. Huge. So I'm waiting for the other ladies so we can get out. So this is everybody waiting. This is another boat across from us. It's another huge one. This one is Celebrity. It's another huge one. It's the same size. Yeah, same size. To go have some fun.
Where she's going?
So, the music.
E mizi ta pal tande?
Yeah.
E man tande mizi pou kitem.
Yeah.
E pwede mbay la, pwede kouverti ya don.
Sa pa ka fe onye pou le ano?
Mbap.
So guys, we're going to the music now. Spend some time.
Hi, how you doing? We having a very wonderful time.
Yes. Even I stay in the library.
Wish you were here with us.
Yes, yeah, guys. All right.
Next time you're gonna go buy one.
Yeah.
Come on. Show me what you got.
Huh?
What have you doing? I know. Too late.
It's too late. Now, I'm here for the massage. I'm gonna have 75 minutes of massage. This is the wedding area. They're gonna give me massage on my back, my neck, my legs, and everything. This is what my massage room looks like. You don't want to be in it? You don't want to be in it?
I don't.
Okay, that's fine. It's gonna be nice. I don't know how much I can let you see, guys, but this is the massage room. This is what it looks like. Guys, too bad I couldn't show you the whole thing. I couldn't show you the actual massage. This is where I was. I'm telling you guys. I'm telling you. Next time you go on a cruise, get your massage from head to toe. You won't regret it. I can explain it to you. You have to experience it yourself. So, you know, you work hard for your money. Spend some on yourself, okay? I'm telling you, a 1 hour and 15 minutes of massage from head to toe. There is something called the hot stone. It was very good. And there is something called bamboo. I don't see the bamboo there, but yeah, they call something like a bamboo to roll on your back and legs and shoulders. It was fun. So if you work hard on yourself, just please yourself, spend some money on yourself, you won't regret it. So don't go on a cruise without a massage. I think that's it for day 2. So I'll see you tomorrow for day 3. Today is day 2, right?
Yeah.
Okay, day 2. We go to breakfast. Some of the girls are here. So we're getting ready. We're going for a walk after that.
There you go. Make sure.
Let's go, Miss.
You'll be on YouTube.
Yeah.
You're gonna be on YouTube.
Yeah.
Okay. Michelle. 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 On what to say?
Toi, les gens calé là, oui? On regarde comment tu tues head. That's how we do it. Yes. We tweet our head. We beating them up. I made it on Facebook, no?
Oh yes, you are. I told you.
No, on Facebook, Papa.
I told you. You told me Alright, today is day 3. Day number 3. So after that massage last night, I slept through until 7 o'clock this morning. I'm still relaxed, my body is so relaxed now. Today is not too shiny, but it doesn't matter. We're gonna be on the sea the whole day. We're not gonna go anywhere. We're gonna stay on board today. So hopefully we'll find some activities here to do during the day. I'm gonna eat breakfast. Ciao. Alright guys, this is Formal Night tonight. Formal Night. Say hi guys.
Ça c'est français. Ok.
Having fun. This is Formal Night. This is Formal Night tonight. Everybody looks beautiful. So everybody's wearing black. So beautiful.
Yeah? Are you serious?
Yes.
I don't see myself.
Yes, see you. Because we see you.
I got you.
I'm gonna show you my song.
I got you good, huh?
Oh, here they are for the picture.